at 1290. Okay, I got another white. Nice. Try 1c4. I'm playing my World Championship rep. c6 I think is not quite an accurate move, because now e4 and there's d5. I guess we get a strange version of Mykonos, but it's for sure a good version for me, because he cannot take back with the queen on f6, and in case he'd gone d4. Let's see, e6. Yeah, but now he's just got a fairly well, an inferior version of the French. So let's see if I can try and win quickly this time. And he wants to give me the bishop as well. Okay, I'm just gonna play it simple. His problem here is that I've got such a nice space advantage on the king side that simple attacks are always going to be dangerous. And now he's begging me to go bishop h7, and I'm not going to be asked twice. Everything that I know about chess tells me that this particular attack must win. So this is something you should always look out for when you've allowed an early e5. Then bishop h7 is always in there, but it's something you learn with more experience. So let's see if I can finish this off in style. Yeah. Also, the conventional wisdom is that you have to try king g6. Although in this case, queen d3 at the very least. f5 96 looked absolutely overwhelming. But yeah. Sorry, buddy. That was a bit quick.